Hello there, and welcome to a Math Thinking Thursday. Today we're going to use strategies to make a 10 to help us subtract, and we're also going to work with Ayodeji, who needs to save up for a bike. So here I have 23 minus 5. Of course I could count backwards using my fingers, or I could use my mind and make 10 to help me subtract here. So already it shows me 23 minus 3, this 3 here, would equal 20. So I've already made my 10. Now, how much more do I need to subtract to get my next number? Well, let's look. 3 plus what is 5? I need 2. So here, when it says 20 minus a number, I've already subtracted 3 from 23. I want to subtract 2 from 20. Because I have made a 10, I know what 20 minus 2 is. It would give me 18. So now I know 23 minus 5 is 18. Let's try over here with 73. 73 minus 6. I can subtract 3, and that will give me a 10. What 10 would that give me? 70. So here I've already subtracted 3 from the 6. I need to subtract 3 more from this 6. So 70 minus 3 would give me what number? Here I have a 10. What do I need to add to 3 to get to 70? You should have gotten 67. So now I know 73 minus 6 is 67. And I subtracted the 6 in 2 parts. Just like here, I subtracted that 5 in 2 parts. Here, I will subtract the 9 also in 2 parts. So 91 minus 1 would give me 90. There's my 10. How much more do I need to subtract? 8. I've already subtracted 1. So now I need to subtract 8 more. So 90 minus 8 will give me what number? 82. So now we know that 91 minus 9 is 82. And I subtracted the 9 in 2 parts. So now I'm working with Ayodeji, Ayo for short, who needs to save up for a bike that is $890. He has money. He has $563. So now I want to find out how much more money does he need to save. He doesn't have enough. So my equation, I already know what it equals. It has to equal 890. That's how much money he needs. The amount that he has is 563. So what would I do here? Would I add to get to 890? Would I subtract to get to 890? Would I multiply or divide to get to 890? This is where he is, and this is where he needs to go. He would add. He's going to add some amount to get to 890. So remember, when we are missing a number in an addition problem, I can subtract these two numbers to find that number, because this is my big total. So I'm not going to add, but I do need to subtract to figure out what this number would be. So I could do 890 and I can subtract 563. We can use standard form. So if I have no cookies, there's no way I can eat 3. So I have to move 10 here, and that's actually just going to be 10. If I move 10 away, I don't have 90 here anymore. I have 80. Because 90 minus 10 is 80. So now I can do the math. 10 minus 3, that would give me 7. 80 minus 60. So remember, I'm in my tens place. That's why I put that 0 there. 80 minus 60 would give me 20. So I would have 2 tens. And here, 800 minus 500 would give me 300. So how much more money does he need to save? I would say Ayodeji needs to save $327 to buy his bike. If you wanted to add to that, you could. You could say 563 plus 327 equals 890. And you can actually show this work that it is actually true. So right here on the side, and probably at school you have a lot more space to work out. This is just a short see, 7 plus 3, you have 10. 6, 7, 8, 9. And here you have 5 plus 3, which is 8. So you really do end up with that $890. Okay? Excellent work today. You really thought that through. Hi, my budding geniuses. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you have your book so you can follow along. Practice on your own for 15 minutes and then log in to review the lesson. Remember, there's a purpose for your life. If you stay focused, you can say, Oyemi, I understand. See you tomorrow. Bye now.